Hey, I'm Alex with Marcs Mobility. In this video, we're going to show you the Jazzy Carbon 27. This is their newest release Jazzy Carbon model that is only 27 pounds without the battery in the unit. With the battery in, it's about 32 pounds, so even still then, it's one of the lightest on the market currently today. This has a 300-pound weight capacity, does go 3.7 miles an hour, and has a drive distance of up to 9 miles on a full charge, and that is with an airline-approved travel battery. So this is a 288 watt-hour battery, so it is approved for all types of transportation. Now, I can tell you with the 300-pound weight capacity, you are still going to have 19 inches in between the armrests and just a hair over 23 inches in overall width. Now, the overall length's about 35 inches, and you are going to have a pretty compact 33.5 inch or so turning radius on the unit. Now, this unit, what makes it great is because it folds as well. So back here in the back of the unit, you are going to have a latch that you are able to then fold the chair. I recommend to fold it in the upright position. This is a prototype, but in the ones that are going to be shipping out soon, it will have a strap to kind of keep it together, but it does not fully lock into place. It just is a strap. So once again, you can access the battery right from here. It does slide right in and out. You are able to charge the battery right through here, or if it's inside the unit, you can charge it through the joystick. But this unit used to be about 43 pounds when the original version came out, and they were able to get this down to 27 pounds by having high-grade airplane type carbon fiber material on the unit. And they also upgraded the joystick as well. So now the joystick's going to have your speed, what gear you're on, and it's going to have an odometer on this nice digital display. And they also came out with a USB/USB type charging port right here and a headlight on the unit as well. So once again, that is going to be nice. They did come out with more of a sling type back on here as well, but you still do have that 17 by 17 inch type cushion. It is going to look a little bit different. This is the prototype. It might look a little different once it ships. You are going to have solid wheels, almost 7 inch in the front and about 8 inches in the back with 250 watt brushless motors. So if you're looking for a power chair that is going to be able to perform, but also be one of the lightest on the market currently today, go ahead and take a look at the Jazzy Carbon 27.